does it feel to be honored as a Silver Star?
It's great. It is just fabulous. I've been working here for a long time as a volunteer. It's just great, and what makes it even more special is my sister-in-law, who I've known since we were in grade school, nominated me. So what a wonderful opportunity.
Why is the Silver Star program important to Tallahassee?
As we go through life, we don't have to be thanked for everything that we do, but it is so wonderful for people to appreciate it and acknowledge it, and it makes you feel so proud of the community and of yourself.
How did you entertain yourself as a kid?
Oh, well, that was fun. I was raised on a farm, so there was all kinds of stuff to do with animals and everything. And my mother took us to the library every week, and we got the number of books that they would allow us to check out, and we read them in a week, so we wouldn't be bored and bother her. So it was a great way to grow up.
Where did you live growing up?
I lived in Reno, Georgia. It's a suburb of Cairo, Georgia. And as I said, it was on a farm. We had a big old farmhouse that we grew up in. I had a little brother who I had to share a room with for a while. He thought I was his extra mother.
Tell me about your family.
Well, I have a great family. I have a husband. We don't always live in the same town at the same time, but we love each other and have for a long time. And I have 2 sons, 2 great daughter-in-laws, 4 grandchildren, and we're about to have a great-grandchild. My husband's name's Jack. My granddaughter just got married, even though I can't believe she's that old, but she went and got married and asked me to be her flower girl. So I got to be escorted down the aisle with my grandson, and I got to hand the mothers a little bouquet of flowers. And I was probably the best flower girl there ever was.
Is exercise important to you?
It is very important to me. I've exercised pretty much since I was a child. Of course, that was running and everything. But I've walked probably for 40 years. I've done powerlifting in the senior games. I've worked out in gyms sometimes. It's just important for me, first mentally, and second physically, because you have to keep both of them in good health.
What has been your proudest moment in volunteer work?
Oh, that's a hard one. My proudest moment in the volunteer world, I think maybe serving on the board of the Tallahassee Senior Foundation has been my proudest moments. I've had other proud moments, but it's been a continuous learning and caring experience.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell us?
Yes, enjoy life. Kind of attack it like you do a good plan, and just have a good time every now and then. And if something that's not so good comes along, work with it and move on to the next good thing.